Hi, this is Jim Latimer with SoundTube. We're here at CEDIA 2025 in Denver, and I would like to point your attention to the Focus Point. This is a solution that we make, one of our ingenious solutions that we make for localized audio. Very simply, you walk under the dome, you can hear mono or stereo program. You step out of the dome and you don't. We have two different sizes of domes. For a single user, that's the 20-inch, or for a couple of users, that's the 30-inch. The idea is that you locate it close to where the listener is going to be. You can get mono or stereo program. Lots of different applications like museums, massage, retail, possibly TSA, restaurants where they can select the audio for the TV they're looking at. Lots of different choices. It's one of our ingenious products. We're looking for the world to find ingenious applications for it. For more information, please go to soundtube.com.